Okay, here is what we have for vector components. Okay, components are basically decomposing a vector into its parts. This explanation is a little lengthy, and then I have an example for you. You let u and v be non-zero vectors such that v is check that u is w1 plus w2, where w1 and w2 are orthogonal, and w1 is parallel to or a scalar multiple of v. The vectors w1 and w2 are called vector components of u. And the vector w1 is the projection of u onto v, and is found by w equals a projection. That's how you would say projection of u onto v. And that's a formula. It's a straightforward formula. The projection of u onto v is the dot product of u and v over the magnitude squared of v times the vector v. Okay? You might want to look through that again, soak it all in. All right? And then what I'm going to do is do an example where we have given vector u is 2, 7 and v is negative 2, 4. Find the projection of u onto v and then write u as a sum of its components. Okay, so there's our formula. So the first thing we're going to do is the dot product of u and v. And the dot product is 2 times negative 2 plus 7 times 4, which comes out to be 24. And then I'm also going to do the magnitude of v, which is the square root of negative 2 squared plus 4 squared, which is the square root of 4 plus 16, which equals the square root of 20. Now, I'm not going to simplify that because when you look back in the formula, we're squaring it anyway. Okay? So this is the information I need. And now when I go back in, the projection of u onto v is, our dot product was 24. When you square our magnitude, you get 20. And that's multiplied by vector v, negative 2, 4. So that comes out to be negative 2 times 24 over 20, negative 48 over 20, comma, 96 over 20. And what I am going to do is simplify those fractions. Negative 12 over 5, comma, 24 over 5. And that is W1. Okay? Now, in order to find W2, we take u, or u vector, minus W1. So that is 2 comma 7 minus negative 12 over 5 comma 24 over 5. Okay, so make this a little easier. I'm going to make all my denominators 5, 10 over 5, 35 over 5. So when you do that, 10 minus negative 12, 22 over 5, 35 minus 24, 11 over 5, and that is W2. And that is all you need to know for projections. We'll also post an assignment with it, so there's a dot product and components. And I hope everybody, again, staying safe, staying healthy. If you need anything, reach out via email to your teacher. Either one of us, doesn't matter. Hope everybody's doing okay. Take care and have fun.